Hello and welcome to a new vlog. Does this look like a familiar setting to you? So I'm at my parents' house right now. So this is my old office where I used to film all of my videos. This used to be the background. I love sitting at this desk. It's a little more echoey in here because there's less furniture. I've actually got rid of the rug in here and I feel like that makes it more echoey. Anyways, I'm just sitting at my desk right now and I'm working on my computer editing or finish editing the next vlog. And I had a really late start to today's day. I'm in town because last night I came and went to Nikki's surprise party, so that went really well. It was so much fun seeing some old friends last night. And the surprise party was to congratulate her for finishing her master's, which is so exciting. So I've just had a slow start to my day. I started to not feel well last night, and just all of today I feel like I'm in a fog and I just have not been feeling too well. Like my stomach was hurting last night and I don't really know. I hope I'm not getting sick in any way because that would really put a damper into Vlogmas, but I'm just trying to take it easy today. And then tomorrow I actually have to go into work, which is unfortunate because it's a weekend, but I'm volunteering at an event. I'm trying to get as much work done for the vlogs today. Just been taking it easy. I just like really wanted to put my hair up in a ponytail and like just not wear any makeup, just take a break. There's always like one day a week that I just can't wear makeup. I need to give my skin a break. I don't know if you guys do that as well. And then also my nails, I haven't had nail polish on them all week and it's just driving me nuts. I feel like I am not myself when I don't have nail polish on, and then I feel like my nails break so easily. So that's kind of what I've been doing today. I had some soup earlier and just been taking it easy, trying to drink a lot of water so that I don't get sick. And then on Black Friday, my mom and I had placed an order with Dynamite and we kind of collaborated on the order. So everything got shipped here. So we're gonna try everything on and probably go back to the store later and return some things. And then I need to go home. So that's kind of what my day is looking like. Been cuddling with Merlot. He's so cute and cuddly. I'm gonna finish editing this vlog and put it up, and then I wanna paint my nails just so I feel a little bit more like myself. It's quite a bit later. The vlog went up and now I'm just tidying up my room here, and I'm about to head back to my place just because I need to get back tonight because I have an early morning tomorrow. I have to go into work and I'm volunteering. So I'm just packing up my room and I wanted to show you just how much of a disaster it is. It's funny that my bedroom at home still kind of looks the same because I didn't really take many of my things here. But check this out. These are Black Friday orders from Dynamite. I need to make my bed because I took a wonderful nap and I feel a lot better. My body really needed a nap and then I started to feel better, which is good because I really don't want to get sick. I'm gonna pack up and tidy up, and actually my family is coming with me. My brother and his fiance. I don't think I told you that my brother got engaged, so they've been working on, you know, the beginning stages of planning their wedding, which is so exciting and just really, really happy for them. They haven't come by when my place has been like more set up. So they're gonna come, and my parents are coming because I just got my TV and I ordered a wall mount too. So my dad is gonna see about installing it. I need to like set up my TV and it's too heavy for me to do by myself. So they're gonna come help me. And the plan is that we're all gonna hang out at my place tonight, which is kind of funny because never had my family come over to my place, but it's gonna be so much fun. So my family just left. It was so cute to have my family over. The thing with the TV, we got it out of the box, but it's currently on the floor. So we started to measure and drill the mount, but the screws were not the right ones. So we had a few issues in 2 different places with the screws, and obviously it's late, so there is no hardware store open. So my dad is gonna come back another day to help me, but I got a Amazon Basics wall mount, which seems to be working pretty good, except the screws were not long enough to latch into my TV. And then the TV is too large for my old shelf here, the white shelf that's over here. So I just put that off to the side for now until I get a new unit, and then the TV is just on the floor. But I'm so excited. I'm gonna set it up now and like log into my YouTube account and all of that because I'm so excited. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the fact that I actually got a new phone. So this is the iPhone X, and I previously had an iPhone 8 Plus. With my work, I had the opportunity to get a new phone, so I ended up just getting an Amazon package, and I got a new phone case and a new screen protector because I am a big fan of screen protectors. These ones are amazing. I really love the Tech Armor, the ballistic glass, I think is how you pronounce that. And personally, I swear by these. On my 8 Plus that I had for the last year, I had one of these screen protectors on it, and I had dropped the phone a few times, and it wasn't until I would say 11 months where this screen protector cracked. And I truly believe that if I had not had a screen protector on it, that crack would have actually been on the screen. And also, I just feel comfortable knowing that there's a screen protector on it, because even if, you know, my phone is in my purse and it somehow is close to a set of keys or something like that, I know that the screen is protected. It just makes me feel better personally. So I'm gonna put that on right now. And then this is the case that I got. I am always a fan of just like a clear case. Actually, I have my 8 Plus right here. I still love this phone. I love how big the screen is. This case here is just a clear case, and I find that the rims get yellow on it so quickly, or not yellow, but or black. I don't know, they just discolor so quickly. And this phone is black, so I just thought that I would go ahead and get this case, which has a black rim on it, so that I don't have to worry about the rim getting black, that it already is black. And I thought that would look good on the phone. I really love Face ID. My favorite feature is that the message just previews until I look at it, and then it'll show me what the message actually says, or any sort of notification. Even with emails, it's cool that it just gives you like no information. It'll just say like preview, and then once I look at it, it will reveal the message, which is really cool. And cool because like I'll leave my phone on my desk at work, and it won't see my face, and then whenever I look over at it and it catches my face, it'll show me what the messages say, which I think is really cool, because then people, if they're walking by my desk, they won't see any of my notifications. Feels good, I like it. I'm so tempted to get a Signet case from Ali and Tony of Dallas because I really want to support them, but I really just needed like a quick case. And this is a classic, so I think I'm gonna still look at cases from them. And then this is what the kit looks like for a screen protector. So it comes with a wipe, and then it comes with different like tape and like a lint-free cloth. And then these are the actual screen protectors. So I did get a 2-pack. It comes in this little sheet, and then it's a piece of glass. So I'm just gonna wash my hands, and then I'm gonna set up my workstation and put on my screen protector. But overall, I really have been enjoying the X so far, and I was comparing it to my 8 Plus, and I love my 8 Plus. I absolutely love the larger phone. It's just so much nicer to grab onto, and I do a lot of work on my phone. These are work phones, that's why I have these devices. Well, I need to bring this one back, but I was just making the changeover, and I just love, love, love the size of this phone. The screen size on the two phones, in my opinion, are pretty much the same. X is actually longer, and it's a slightly bit more narrow than the 8 Plus. But in terms of the screen, I'm still seeing the same amount of screen. It's just this phone has a little bit more to hold on to. But there were a few instances where it was too large to like put into a jacket pocket or a purse or something like that. But I did want to try the new technology of the Face ID, and that has been really fun to play with so far. Wow, I'm so impressed by my TV right now. I'm setting it up and it's telling me to download an app. That is some high tech. Look at this. Telling me to download the Samsung Smart Things app. This is so cool. My TV says that it detects ambient light, which it's true because it's next to this and there's not very much light in the room, and that it will adjust the brightness automatically based on the lighting in the room. So cool. All right, let's sign into YouTube. I love that this TV has Spotify because I had an Apple TV before and it I couldn't connect my Spotify to my TV, so this is amazing. I'm so happy with the size of this TV. It's so much better than the little one, which it was actually my brother's, so I gave it back to him when he left. And the Apple TV was his as well, so I was just kind of borrowing it. Oh, this is amazing. I'm so happy. All right, guys, I don't know if I'm new here, but I'm on my phone connecting my YouTube account to my TV. This is so cool. Oh my god, I just signed in. That's so cool. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my god, my life has changed. I'm so happy. So I just finished taking a shower and I need to go to bed ASAP, but I haven't had nail polish on my nails in probably a week and it's driving me absolutely nuts. Like, I don't even feel like myself, and also my nails are just so damaged because of that. So I'm going to take a clipper to them and cut them pretty short just because they're not in good shape right now, and then I'm gonna put on some nail polish finally. And I'm so excited to put on this new shade that I've been talking about in a few of my past vlogs, and this one is called Garnish Attention by Sally Hansen Miracle Gel, and it's one of their new collections that I went to a holiday party for with Sally Hansen. And I actually put on, I had Make It Nice on my nails, which was another one from their collection, and I had this on my nails shortly after that dinner party, but it's such a pretty shade, and now I've just been dying to try this one. I really wanted my nails to grow out a little bit more before trying such a dark shade because I thought it would just look even more pretty, but I think this is pretty nice for long or short nails, and I just like can't wait to put it on. So I'm just gonna watch some YouTube on my new TV. That way my hair will dry a little bit before I head to bed, and I'll just put this on my nails and let it dry. I already took all the pillows off of my bed so that I wouldn't have to like use my hands to get into bed. That way I can just kind of rest my hands on my chest and hopefully fall asleep. I'm obviously gonna let my nails dry before going to bed, but I find even like for the next couple hours after you apply nail polish, they still could be dentable, and there's been cases where I go to sleep and then I wake up with like imprints on my nails, and I don't want that to happen. So I took all the precautions and already unmade my bed. I'm all done painting my nails. It feels so good to have nail polish on my nails again. So gorgeous. My cuticles are not doing so well right now. Like I said, so dry, and my nails are short. But I'm really loving this color. So pretty. Anyways, I just wanted to wrap up this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Today was like a crazy day. It was all over the place. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Subscribe for more. Bye.